disrespectful when you do that. Where do you came from? But hey, what birds like you go? Hey, you're being disrespectful. Hey, why are you? Hey,
I got a good idea here.
just start. What is? I'm trying to be your friend.
Put this on your finger. All right. Put this on your finger. Will you marry me? And put it in front of him.
Will you marry me? Oh, that's nice. Look, she's trying to bite. Wow! Oh! All right, get the bird. Get the bird.
Come here, sweetie. Come here.
Marry her. Get off me. Get off me. You're very rude. That's what you are. I believe.